what I got as a gift. Thank you. I'm so excited. I never have to sweep again. Yes, it's a great day. What do you got? Thank you so much. I love this. It's like the greatest gift ever. And it talks to me. Wow. I'm just following around the robot. I pushed the home button. It's supposed to be finding home, but it's not going in the right direction. Because home is back there. Yeah. And even the home button's flashing. Go home, buddy. Wrong way. At least it's cleaning the bedroom. It's doing a thorough job, too, I must say. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, might not have to dust. And the little sweeper is sweeping all the stuff off of the wall so it can suck it up. Go, 6. You're the best. Update. 6 is still struggling to make it out of the corner. It has no clue where home base is. Like, this way, bro. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, okay. It won't do the rug. Alright. Hard right, bro. You gotta take it home. Look. Take it to the house, 6. Take it to the house. There we go. But it will dock. Alright, it's thoroughly cleaning under my couch. I got time. You take your time, boo-boo. That's all we got is time. We quarantine. Yes. See, I don't even do that good a job. Look at 6. My boy. I love him. Okay, it was supposed to go right there. So I went on in the bathroom. Come on, bud. You can make it. See the little home button's flashing. Let's see if it goes there. Come on, Poodle. Uh-oh. It found it. Yeesh. Up. Here we go. So it can't, like, you gotta really help it, but